Today, we're going to talk about the Naturopathica Manuka Honey Cleansing Balm. I'll show you how to use it, and then we'll discuss the benefits. Stick around. Hey beautiful people, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Lily, and I want to share my love for all things beauty and makeup with you. If you haven't hopped on the Lily wagon yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that red subscribe button below for new videos every weekend. The question of the day is, what kind of cleansers do you guys prefer to use? Let me know in the comments below. So let's jump right in. A few weeks ago, I started researching a lot for cleaner products to use on my skin, and I found the Naturopathica Manuka Honey Cleansing Balm. I've been using this product for a few weeks now, and I've noticed a huge difference in my skin. I put a link below in the description box if you guys want to check out a bit more reviews on this product. In this video, I'll tell you a little bit more about the product, I'll show you how simple it is to use, and I'll do a comparison on how well it does by removing makeup compared to a regular face wash. So let's talk a little bit more about Naturopathica. Naturopathica products are cruelty-free and they don't use any toxic chemicals in their products. The ingredients in the products are clean so they don't cause any unnecessary harm to your skin. The company believes in the healing power of nature and they take a holistic approach to all their skincare treatments. This product is made with Manuka honey sourced directly from New Zealand. Wow! Manuka honey is prized for its superior humectant properties. This product is sourced with powerful probiotics known to rejuvenate the skin with moisture. It's packed with vitamins to help nourish the skin from the outside. So what is a cleansing balm? In simple terms, a cleansing balm has a gel-like consistency or a balm-like texture. You would use it exactly as you would a regular face wash or a cleanser day or night. The only difference is that it changes from a balm-like or gel-like texture into a oil when you rub it on your skin. So how do you use this product? You take a small amount and you put it on dry skin and rub it around to activate the natural oils in your skin and to remove dirt and makeup. I like to rub it around like this, and then I'll start rubbing it all over. And as I'm rubbing it, it's breaking up all of the dirt from the day and all my makeup. I am wearing some makeup, so you'll see how it removes that. Now I'm going to add a small amount of water to my face to further break up the dirt and the makeup. It doesn't have to be warm water, it could be cold or lukewarm. Next, you're going to take a warm washcloth and start to wipe away all of the balm, makeup, dirt, anything. I know a huge concern for many people is that because we're not washing the face, that all of the balm is not coming off, and that can cause your pores to clog up. That's not true. If you use a warm washcloth, it will just wipe away everything while leaving your skin moisturized.
Okay.
And there you have it. It took off all my makeup. I know I wasn't wearing much, but I have used this product with a heavier face of makeup and it took it off perfectly. And just so you guys can see, this is a clean side of the washcloth. I'm just gonna wipe my face so you can see that all of the makeup is off. It's clean. My camera guy agrees. So now we're gonna do a comparison. I've applied makeup to both sides of my hands, and we're gonna see how well the Manuka Honey Cleansing Balm performs against a regular cleanser. So on the left side, we're gonna apply the Manuka Honey Cleansing Balm. I'm gonna rub that. And as you can see, it just melted away all the makeup. Next, I'm gonna add a bit of water just to further break that down. And now, I'm gonna wipe it away. Clean? So that was the Naturopathica Manuka Honey Cleansing Balm. And there you are. Next, we're gonna try a regular and rub it around. And as we would with a regular cleanser, we're gonna add water. And now I'm gonna wipe it away. Removed the makeup, but let's see if it left anything behind. This is a clean part of the towel. And lo and behold, it did leave behind some makeup. So with the same amount of effort, I removed the makeup easier with the cleansing balm, and it did it in one step. I didn't have to use extra products or a makeup remover. With the regular cleanser, it left behind makeup residue, so I had to go in another time just to get that off. One of the things about the cleansing balm, it acts as a moisturizer before you actually apply moisturizer because it's not stripping your skin of all the natural oils. Altogether, after I started using this product, I've noticed a huge difference in my skin. I don't break out, and my skin altogether has a healthier glow to it. The real difference is I no longer have to use several products to remove my makeup, then cleanse my face, and then moisturize. It literally melts the makeup off your face, and while you're not washing this away because you have to use a cloth to wipe it, it wipes all of the dirt away easily. I hope everyone is staying safe, washing your hands, and practicing social distancing. Stay safe, everyone. See you next week.